The Indian government has banned dozens of Chinese-owned apps.
And we're now getting more reports that 47 more apps have been banned by the
बॉर्डर पर चाइना की हरकतों के बाद इंडिया में लोग चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट्स को बॉयकॉट करने की बात कर रहे हैं.
There's some big news that's coming in right now. India has banned 59 Chinese applications or apps.
So does that mean that I have to spend my entire bank balance on Zara and H&M and never not repeat my clothes? I think it's the saddest news of 2020. Shein getting banned, I think, was the saddest news of 2020. I'm pretty sure all of you college going girls were pretty damn sad, like I was, because I've grown up buying things from Shein and it was so cheap, it was so light on my pocket, and this is the most awaited video of 2020. I am finally covering my best Shein alternatives and every Instagram store out there where I buy clothes from, which are pretty much similar to Shein in pricing and in styles. If you guys want to know about every damn Instagram store out there, then keep watching. There are some stores there I'm going to mention about that are not very cheap for sure, but they have the most epic designs. And also there are some stores out there I love, I haven't yet bought from, but I still want to mention them here because they are so good that I can't wait to buy stuff from them. In case you guys want to know the best thrift shops on Instagram, keep watching this video because I'm going to mention all the good thrift shops that I've recently discovered towards the end. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, go right now and follow me. My channel is The Dramatic Diva. And yeah, let's begin. So the first store that I want to mention is Punk Clothing. I'm pretty sure a lot of you must have heard about it. I know so many queries that come to me because I buy so much stuff from there and I also source a lot of stuff from there. So I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about Punk Clothing. It's a very famous Instagram store. It has all the new designs. It has everything that you guys might need while you're going to college or for parties or for general outings as well. They have skirts, they have tops, they have dresses, they have sweatshirts, they have nightwear, they have loungewear, they have lingerie, and they have athleisure. And I've personally tried out their stuff. I have a lot of clothes from them that fit really well, have a good quality material, and they also are not very expensive. They have all the new styles. They have boho dresses as well. I'm gonna keep uploading the pictures here of all the stores that I'm mentioning right now so you guys can have an idea about what I'm talking about. So Punk Clothing is one such store that I keep buying stuff from, and their quality is also very good. Moving on to the second store that I want to mention is Paparazzi Closet. It is a Bombay based website as well as an Instagram store. I've also been sourcing from them for about 6-7 months now, and they have good stuff. Some of their clothes are very good. Some of them are a little dicey in quality for sure, because I have come across and happen to come across clothes that look very different in picture but in reality they look different. So be sure about buying stuff from there. But I'm pretty damn sure that they have the styles that you're looking for. I'm gonna attach everything in the description down below, as well as write the handle right here, and also attach pictures of their clothes that I've worn before so you guys can also check out. The third store that I want to mention is Shop Hey Missy. It's a newly discovered store. I think their packaging is completely sustainable and eco-friendly and biodegradable. I recently ordered 3 outfits from there. It is perfectly tailored to the T. They have a very new styles. They have very stylish clothes. They're unlike any other store that you might find on Instagram, because they basically style everything on their own, then they design everything on their own. They also design everything on their own. So I wanted to mention their clothes specifically. In case you follow me on Instagram, I've also put stories about them. So I worn like 3 of their outfits. Their co-ord sets are amazing. They have amazing skirts and shirts. They also have some boho dresses that you might love, and I would really like you to check them out. They are for sure very good. The fourth store that I want to mention was Made for Her Closet. Made for Her Closet has the best street style that I've come across till now. They have amazing joggers, they have amazing quad jogger sets. They also have a lot of dresses that you might like and a lot of dresses that you might find on Shein, and even the prices are not crazy over the head. I've also tried a lot of stuff from them and I absolutely love their stuff. They are amazing. I'm gonna attach the handle right here as well as put up pictures where I've worn their stuff right on the screen here. The fifth store that I want to mention is something called femi9.by.as. I just recently ordered stuff from there. I've ordered 3 outfits. One of them is an orange top. We'll definitely put up a picture here. Another one is a boho dress, and that is a sweatshirt, a Scooby-Doo sweatshirt that I bought from there. Very cheap, very affordable, definitely good material. I really love the orange t-shirt that I wore. It is epic. They have it in other colors as well. They have it in black, neon, white, and all of those other colors that you might need for a basic cutout tee. And I think it's a wardrobe staple. You can't go without it. So in case you want to check them out, you for sure can check femi9.by.as. So moving on to the 6th store that I want to talk about is Urbanique Official. Urbanique Official is one such store I haven't personally ordered from, but I've got recommendations from friends telling me that I should definitely check them out when I was looking for a birthday dress. So basically I was looking for my birthday dress back in September and I couldn't really find something, and that is when I was missing Shein so much more than usual, because I always used to end up finding something from Shein. That is when my blogger friend Asmita recommended me to check out Urbanique Official, and they do have good stuff in case you're looking for that perfect birthday dress or that perfect party dress. I'm pretty sure you will find something on Urbanique. The 7th store that I wanted to cover was Cameo_store_official. I have recently purchased stuff from them. I've purchased a satin night suit that I've been looking for the longest time. It's a lavender satin night suit. It's a top and a shorts, and I've also purchased the joggers from them as well as a dress that I can't wait to wear in the autumn winter time in October. They also have really cool stuff out there, and they also have a lot of plus size dresses. So in case you're plus size, they are very inclusive about curvy size figures. You can definitely check them out. It is one of my favorite stores on Instagram again. I also wanted to cover accessories. Since Shein was my go-to for a lot of accessories, I was really digging into Google and my Instagram to search for places that does accessories better than Shein and more or less at the same rate, even though you can't compete with the 100-200 prices of Shein when it comes to buying necklaces and earrings. But I feel they used to go black really fast, so I ended up searching for a lot of jewelry brands, and then the Instagram algorithm started showing me a lot of jewelry brands, and I did stumble upon a few which were really good. One of which was a Tipsy Fly, which I've already done a reel on. I have 3 pieces from them. I'm gonna attach that reel right here. Their quality is amazing. It's slightly on the expensive side. Everything that you might buy there is, I think, above $1,000, but it is worth it because it doesn't go black that fast, and you can easily use it for about 6 months to 1 year without it getting bad. I also ordered this personalized customized neck piece from Happy Maker. I just stumbled upon it through an ad on Instagram, and it was actually selling these for 500. This is an Arabic font of my name. This says Nishtha in Arabic. The quality of this is not very great. This is super gold. It is more gold than I would prefer, but for 500 bucks I don't think it's bad, especially when it's customized. Is called Joker and Witch. It is definitely collaborating with a lot of bloggers, so I know a lot of bloggers do find their stuff really good. They have sets of watches and bracelets that you can use. I will attach one of them here, and they also have little baubles and stuff which I really love. They have a lot of stacked bracelets and stacked rings that I can literally just buy in bulk. So I wanted to check out Joker and Witch as well. I haven't personally tried it out for sure. Moving on to the best part of the video. So recently I discovered this brand, which is a thrift hand-picked brand on Instagram, and they do specialized corsets. Their corsets are unique and they are second to none. They're amazing, and I really wanted to like buy them, but before I could actually pick the corset and tell them this is what I want to buy, they just sell out. They sell out so fast. They just drop a collection and it sells out in a minute before you can even DM them that you need it. It's so good. It's all vintage. Some of them are also very modern and contemporary, but some of them are so vintage that I really want to get my hands on one of them. I recently bought a bustier from this store called Thrifting Thirst. I will put their handle down below as well as here, and it was in my size, and luckily I just got hold of it and I really loved it. This is one of the thrift stores that I want you to check out. There's also another thrift store that I want you to check out, which is Panda Picked store. I'm waiting for the collection to drop so badly because they have such good white corsets. I am also gonna tell you to check out Handpicked Thrifts, which is the Lulu. There's also another thrift store that I want you to check out, which is called lookbook_90s. They have all the old vintage thrift, vintage inspired clothing, which is completely sustainable, and I absolutely have fallen in love with their collection. Okay, so I think I've pretty much covered all the corset and the vintage loving clothes. Let's move on to international stores that I want to get my hands on, and these 4 international stores are my absolute favorite. I follow them on Instagram because of their collection, but I'm really scared that if I buy something, it might just charge me a lot of customs and it will charge me double the amount of price that I actually buy something for. So these 4 stores are something that I would completely go mad in. If I go online, I want to just do retail therapy, I would go mental. They are definitely from UK. One of them is Opoly. They have the best bustier dresses and the best bustier tops that I could ever imagine, like in my dreams, and a lot of Indian stores do copy them, but they don't get the same quality and the same fitting that these guys have, obviously, because they are very original. The second store that I want to talk about is also a UK based brand. It's Pretty Little Things. Damn pretty. They have the best floral dresses, the best feminine dresses in the world, and amazing mannequins and bikinis. Amazing. I really want to get a hold on everything, but I feel this is one store that does not charge you customs, because a lot of people buy from them and they did not get charged. The third brand that I want to get a hold on is House of CB. It's also a UK based brand. Crazy mind blowing dresses. Like, it's the kind of store you want to go to when you're getting proposed, or you're going on the best date of your life and you just need a dress. That's the kind of store you go to. The 4th store that I want to mention is called Boohoo. It's again, I feel, a UK based brand, and they have the best street style, hands down, best street style ever. I wanted to mention these 4 stores because I've been eyeing them for the longest time, but I haven't got hold of any of their collection. But if you go check out their collection, you will definitely fall in love. Yeah, I think we've come to the end of this video, and I hope it helped you, because I know after Shein getting banned, we've all been heartbroken, legit. And if you guys did find this video even a little bit helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button down below in case you haven't, you're gross, and please like this video and comment on this video. And in case you want more suggestions, please let me know. I will definitely make a part 2 of Shein alternatives. And yes, I love you guys. Thanks for watching.